Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of two power tools which have been sent to me by Evolution Power Tools Limited. So I've been sent these for review as part of the launch of a new product line. So they've introduced a product line of cordless tools. There's lots of different ones, you know, a number of different tools across the range. They've sent me a couple of these which I'm going to share with you in a moment. So full disclosure, they've given me these for review. It's up to me what I do with them. If they're good, obviously I'll be using them and lending them out to family and friends. If they're garbage, then I'll tell you so, okay? The only obligation on me is to provide completely honest and open reviews, and obviously if either myself or anybody watches this video has got any constructive feedback, then you know they can pick that up as well. So I'm going to do an unboxing. This is not a review or a recommendation. Obviously I'll follow up with reviews using these products, and as I say, they are cordless products, and I'm really keen just to see what their performance is like, how they perform in a hard use DIY situation, and also with one of these in particular in a domestic situation as well. So I've got quite a few ideas how we can really put these through the paces. I've got a number of projects coming up which I will use the circular saw for, cutting timber, making doors, and also making fences. And we've also got a cordless vacuum cleaner here, which I'm really looking forward to using actually. And I've got a lot of stuff to do in the property. I've got an installation coming up with a gas central heating system. I've got lots of cleaning up to do before and after, and obviously this will be ideal for putting it through its paces and just seeing what this thing can do. Anyway, with that in mind, I'll reset the camera and get back to you. But before I do so, because this is such an important unboxing, we also need to make sure we treat these with deference and with the appropriate amount of respect. So with that in mind then, today I'm going to be doing this unboxing with the white gloves. So when these puppies come out, you know it's going to be something a little bit special, okay? And also I'll be opening up the boxes with my beloved Leatherman Charge AL. I'll reset the camera and get back to you. So the first one we're going to have a look at then is this cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. That's the code on there, look. Now I'm not sure whether or not this box actually contains a battery or whether or not they sent me one battery which will serve both units. But that looks pretty nifty, doesn't it? So this is the other one, look. This is a cordless circular saw. There's a code on there, look. And one of the great things about the blades which come with these tools from Evolution is the fact that they're multi-purpose. They will cut a multitude of different materials, different types of wood, plastic, metal, that sort of stuff. That's what I like about these. I mean, I've got a couple of power tools anyway from Evolution. I think absolutely fantastic. I'm going to be really interested to see what these batteries are like. So this is looking, yeah, so this looks nice. As I say, you know, let's be absolutely clear about this. This isn't a review, it's not a recommendation. I'm just opening this thing up and going to take a peek at it, okay? So we can see then that the accessories are fitted to the actual unit. Well, that's pretty nifty, look. That's very, that's fitted in there quite well, isn't it? That's interesting. It's very clever. fact, let's lay these out on the table, shall we, so we can have a good look at them and just see exactly what comes with this unit. Now, I'm sure I could hear something rattling around in here. So what we'll do, look, let's just remove these. So that's handy, look. I like these locking mechanisms. So they feel quite robust. Lovely. Okay, lovely job. So being a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, obviously this is when you're doing the dry stuff, and you'd utilise this when you're doing the wet stuff. So a couple of filters here, look, wet and dry. So this is your hose. And as and when I come across these, look, I'll put the specifications on the screen. Now, one of the things which strikes me straight away about this is the fact that this hose, it's got a really nice weight to it, and it also feels really sturdy, unlike that cheap garbage on the Titan vacuum cleaner. So straight away, this inspires confidence. So that's a good sign. Obviously just slot in there, look, friction fit. Lovely. Now, quite apart from the fact that this is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, it's also a powerful blower as well. Incidentally, that's what it looks like inside. So as I say, there's a decent capacity in here, and I will put the capacity of this unit on the screen. So this is really nice and tidy. This is, do you know what, this is built like a tank. It's like a little crate. Excellent. So it's got a nice sturdy handle to lift the thing with. So this one here, look, with the arrow pointing outwards, that looks as if it's the blower. And if we turn it round this way to where the on and off switch is, and incidentally, first impressions, that's a really sturdy, chunky on-off switch. Obviously the battery goes in here, and the actual hose, that little lip on there, and as you can hear it just clicking and locking into place. Yeah, that seems really nice and compact, and it feels really sturdy as well. So that clicks in there very nicely. This is a good idea, look, where that just goes in there. I like the way this fits on here. That goes. Where the inlet is on the battery side, bang that in there. And then what you do, feed it round there, look, and just lock it into place there. Look at that, look. So that is nice and ergonomic. It keeps it out of the way, keeps all of your tools together. Yeah, that's a bit better, isn't it? Right guys and gals, so I'm going to wrap this video up now then. As I say, I will be following up with a series of reviews on both of these products, and as part of Evolution's promotion for this new product range, they are offering anybody who watches this video a 10% discount if you click the link below and put in the promo code Caveman. Anyway, it's up to you whether or not you decide to do that, but if you want to pick one of these up cheaply, then that's one way of doing it.